to go.
So though did Perisic, Mandzukic! Croatia hit the front! Mario Mandzukic pounced! And England are hurt! And Croatia, for the first time ever, will play in a World Cup final!
So here it is, the first semi-final of the 2018 World Cup. Giroud turning company with a great bit of work to get the block in. Griezmann with the corner, kicking him, Titi! Arriving on the near post, there's the breakthrough. It's Samuel Titi for France. And France now can sniff the World Cup final. And it is over. Allez les Bleus, all the way to the World Cup final. Brave Belgium eliminated.
Here is the planet's ultimate game, the final of the 21st Football World Cup. Flicked in by Griezmann and flicked on! And France take the lead in the World Cup final! Indeed, Croatia's centre forward got the touch that mattered. Faded it in, Vasilko appeared round the back. Mandzukic can compete with Pogba. Came down for Vida. And then Perisic, 1-1! He has screamed that in! In by Griezmann, and the French are screaming handball. And the referee is choosing to look himself. What a call to have to make. He's given a penalty. A penalty for France in the World Cup final. Antoine Griezmann. France have their lead back. A goal of its age, of its generation. Mbappe. Griezmann. Pogba. Pogba! For France, and possibly now the world! Here's Mbappe! Oh my word! The first teenage World Cup final goal since Pelé himself. Oh, Lloris was caught on it by Mandzukic. Lloris with a moment of madness. Mandzukic perhaps a moment of redemption. It is France. It will be some can-can on the Champs-Élysées tonight. France are the champions of the world.
On the map, in the middle, a spaghetti road. I know there's a light at the end, but the tunnel, it seems so narrow. Trying to find my way, but my shoes is feeling heavy. They say I'm always dragging my feet. Now the world is measured on how fast you can get it. So I'm left behind before I can reach, yeah. Making a life for yourself, getting harder every day. Pressure to find $1,000, city trying to find your way. Life ain't as long as you think, when your eyes are your way. Time ain't a father to you, and it will never hear you say. Surrounding, always taking part in the habitation of your soul. Oh, oh, Mi entend l'océan écrit à moi, mi prend le temps de causer que la mer, mi voit le soleil s'étend au loin, son rayon il s'en va droit dans le cœur, comme si le vent y emmène à moi, mi gagnerait presque toujours l'horizon, comme mi connaît demain n'est pas si loin, mi vit le présent, il faut mi vivre, vivre, voir la vie la positive, vivre. Ma besoin garde le sourire. Vive. Ma besoin reste tranquille. Ma besoin sentir mon lit.